Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can check the return policy on Amazon. So if you're thinking about buying something and you already perhaps made the purchase, it's always a good idea to know about the return policy because this can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's just get right into it and break down the steps. At first, you need to access the return policy for any product you're interested in. So open the Amazon app on your device, or you can also use the browser and go to amazon.com. But of course, the Amazon app is better in my opinion. Once you found the product you're curious about, scroll down on its page and you'll find a link to the return policy. It is typically located in the product information section. So this link is essential, it has to be there. So if you cannot find it, just make sure you're diligent with it because they are required to put it there by Amazon. So it always should be there. Now, you should understand the specific return conditions, so make sure to read through it properly. When you click on the return policy link for new products, you'll usually see that items sold by Amazon are eligible for a 30-day return with a receipt. So this means that you have 30-day window from the date of delivery to decide if you want to keep them or if you want to return it. But if you decide to return it, having the receipt makes the process a lot smoother. But just like with everything, just make sure to keep the receipt and the information about the purchase. Now, if you have already purchased an item and want to check its return policy, the process is just as simple because you can only just open up the Amazon app and tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner to access the main menu. From there, go to the orders section and select the item you are interested in that you have already bought. Scroll down through the page and you'll see the option to return or replace the item along with a specific return policy for that purchase. This section will provide you with detailed information on how long you have left to return the item or if any specific conditions apply. It is important to note that certain items like food or something which, is a little bit of a different nature, this probably cannot be returned due to the health and the safety regulations. So make sure to check the product details to see how exactly it works with that specific one. So yeah, hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtecc for more tutorials in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.